What's up, everybody? It's Boomer Anderson here, Chief Executive Officer of Troscriptions. We're here this weekend at the National Nutrition Standard Conference in Branson, Missouri. I haven't been here since I was 5 years old, so come in, let's check it out. Voila. All right, welcome everybody to Branson, Missouri for the National Nutrition Standard Conference. And we're excited to be here, even though it's a rainy day, so I can't take you out in the Ozarks, at least not yet. But the question always is, why do we do conferences, and why do we specifically do practitioner conferences? At Troscriptions, we are founded by 4 medical doctors. If you include myself as a healthcare practitioner, that's 5 people on the team that are seeing patients or clients around the world. And at Troscriptions, we wanted to make sure that we created products that we can use in our practices. This means that we had to ensure that the purity and potency were there. We had to ensure that products were free of heavy metals, and we had to make sure that the ingredients were effective. It's a company that's really for practitioners by practitioners. With the release of Tro Plus Blue last year, we introduced our practitioner-only line. So doing more practitioner-related conferences is certainly in our future. This conference has over 100 practitioners in it, and we're really excited to talk to them about, well, some of the most common questions that I've been getting lately. Why doesn't GABA cross the blood-brain barrier? It's a very common misconception about GABA supplements in general. How does that whole GABA plus positive allosteric modulator technology work? How should I use methylene blue in my practice? And what the hell is this buccal troche thing? Let's get back to the show.
Good morning or afternoon or evening, wherever you are watching this. I am Dr. Casey McFarland, and I am a chiropractor and actually a board-certified nutritionist in Maryland, and I'm actually in Branson, Missouri, if you can believe that. Flew out a couple of days ago. I'm here at our annual symposium, our nutrition symposium. National Nutrition Standard puts on a symposium every year, so a whole bunch of nutritionists can come together and learn more about products and the latest and greatest research that's out there so we can continue to help our patients thrive and live a long and healthy life. The other thing that we do is not just chiropractors. This is a multidisciplinary symposium, so we've got nurses, we've got nurse practitioners, we've got acupuncturists, so on and so forth. And so if you can see me, if you can follow me, we've got all these vendor tables. Everybody else right now is in class. I am not, oops. But we have all of these vendors here, and it's been a great experience. And so please consider coming to see us. We've been doing this for 50 years. We don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So come join us next time. Thank you for visiting.
This is Dr. Scott Scher. I'm just about to give my talk on GABA, GABA-aminobutyric acid. It's the most powerful calming neurotransmitter that we have, and nobody knows about it. Let's go talk about it.
All right, Scott, tell us what you thought.
Silver Creek City in the beautiful Branson, Missouri. It's beautiful here, guys. It's fall, there's a fall festival, there's pumpkins, a lot of fake ones. Fantastic. A great place to stop on your way through Branson, Missouri.